Hello friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Today's topic is how much important to listen to your listener, to know to your listener, not listen to know to your listener, to know your listener. Look, while you are speaking with someone, then you have to know your listener very well. If you do not know your listener, then you cannot speak to him very well. Okay, so you have to know your listener. So how will you do that? I will tell you that, but why will you need to know your listener? Why? That is an important question. I am telling you that suppose you are speaking with your boss, suppose you are talking with your colleague, or suppose you are speaking with your senior, your senior most person, then you should not use some informal words, some informal phrases, some informal sentences. Always use formal sentences, formal words. Okay, so you have to know the listener's choice, what are the things, what are the words, what are the sentences which your listener is going to understand. Okay, whatever you are saying to your listener, you have to know that is it understandable by him, is it understandable by her. You have to know this thing. If you do not know that whether your listener is understanding your word or not, then you will not make him understand what you are saying to him. Okay, so you have to know your listener. That is number one, point number one. You have to remember, you have to keep in your mind this thing, very very important. Number two, I am telling you that you have to maintain your body language. Okay, body language is another important thing. You have to keep your body language in perfect manner. While you are speaking, you have to look at your body language. Okay, here in this lonely area, every day, every single day, I come here to practice my English, to communicate with you, to make a video for all of you and for myself as well. That's all for today.